For over the time, this microwave has taken a lot of stuff. And today, a baseball endures its punishment.
There's something interesting about the baseball. It started rolling around, so I'm deciding to put it in a cup so it'll stay up.
Alright.
Let's
Matt Tehan, our stars theory.
I mean, I don't really think this is gonna do anything.
It's worth a shot,
It's
you know.
worth a shot. Oh my god, it already fucking fell. Oh no, it didn't.
It's hard to see through this like microwave
Wait, I
thing.
think though. Wait.
Could you like cook it with the thing open?
No, I wish.
Alright. So we're putting a baseball in there. If you have any ideas, please comment below for what we could put in the microwave.
Rate, subscribe, and comment.
Yo, look at the baseball. It's not doing nothing.
It's just gonna get really hot.
Alright,
The leather is probably just gonna get really hot.
after this happens, me and Matt are going to play a game of hot potato.
Alright.
You ready, Matt?
I'm gonna take you on in this hot potato game.
Alright. This hot potato action starts soon.
Come on. Leg out. Hot, hot. Oh my god, that's freaking hot. Ah,
Oh God!
bench warmer status.
Hot baseball! Don't pick me with it.
Okay.
Let me see it. Yo. It's smudged the baseball marking. That's what happens when you put a baseball in the microwave.
If you guys don't believe that this is hot, put it in the microwave for 2.5 minutes.
It's hot.
And then start playing hot potato with it. It's pretty hot.
Yeah. Works on your baseball skills.
Rate, comment, subscribe.
Michael Guastella.
God damn, this is still hot. Matt Tehan.